Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from Easy Craft Art. One is off the canvas, two are diamond paintings. I'm going to start with a diamond painting. Let's start with this one. Okay, my scissors have gone for a wander, so let's get out the big ones. These are normally just used for cutting parcel tape, but that's fine. We can make it work with diamond paintings too. So this first one is a 30 by 40. It is a round. It is rolled up. Let me get it to unroll. And yeah, this is an image that just grabbed me. It grabbed me as being nice, being different, being homey. It has 23 different colours. Does come with DMC numbers and they are all letters as the symbols. But who fancies making an apple pie? Apple pie and custard. Oh, I could go apple pie and custard. Okay. So we have, it is a 35 by 25 for the diamond painting area. But yeah, I just really liked it. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just kitchen on the brain at the moment. But you do get a toolkit. Oh, look at that blue. Oh, that must be some of the background. So we do have some white and of course some browns. But then we have some gorgeous red and pinks and peaches. Oh yeah, just some really, really nice colours. All the bags do come with numbers on them. They don't come with the code for the painting, but they do come with the numbers. So you just need to make sure that it stays together. Now I don't know what comes on that one. There is one that's got, because some of these have got stickers on and some of them have got the numbers on the bags. No, that just says number 2. And it is number 2 because it's a peachy colour. I thought maybe it would have the code for the painting on, but it doesn't. But yeah, some really, really nice, I don't know, warm and fruity. They're fruity colours, which is not surprising because it is a kitchen set up with some apples. So we have some fruity colours for apples. And then for painting number 2, let's see if I can get my scissors most of the way through the bag, make it a little bit easier. Painting number 2, I think, is also a full diamond painting. It is. And this one is an outside. So you go and have your apple pie and your custard and then you go for a walk. So we have a lovely bridge with a path. And then, of course, some lovely flowers. And I think that's a butterfly. And your trees. Yeah, it does look like a butterfly. It could potentially be a bird. Could potentially be either, but it definitely looks outdoorsy. It is quite small, that, but you can definitely make out the bridge, the path, the trees, and the ambience in this one. So it has 24 colours. It does all use letters, which is good. You do get a toolkit. By the looks of it, my green boat has got a little bit damaged on the way, but that's fine. I have gazillions more, so I have plenty to keep me going. The actual diamond painting area is 25 by 35. So it's a 25 by 35 painting. And look at that. Look at that green. That'd go well with the apples. So colours wise, of course, we do have a little bit of black, but not too much. We do have some greys and browns that make up the bridge, but then we have a really nice amount of greens, brings out the nice shading. some browns and some more greys, that little pop of that reddy pink, more greens, some burgundy, different shades of green, a little bit more woody tone colours, and of course some white as well. So really nice colours there. Okay, trying to get this to fold up the same way that it came. It seems like it's a very weird fold, this one. Okay, let's try for that and see if it fits back in the bag. And it does. I don't know quite how they came up with that fold, but the diamonds were willing to go back into the bag that way, so I'm going to take it. So that is diamond painting number 2. And then we have an off the canvas item that is just a little bit different. This, Icy Swim Bag. That's what I see. Swim bag or PE kit when I see this. But you do get a toolkit. And this is a gorgeous little bag. A cute little bag with a sweet little unicorn and some stars. So if you maybe have a little person in your life, that's if you don't want to do it for yourself, which is perfectly fine. But if you have a little person in your life that maybe wants to also have a go at what mummy's doing, nanny's doing, granddad's doing, you know, whatever it may be, but they want to have a go, then something like this I thought was absolutely adorable. And this, as I say, could be used, it has got the material, it could be used as the likes of a swim bag or a PE kit, or just to pop treats in because you can. It is a special, so it does come with the likes of rhinestones and pearls, and there is some different shape ones in there as well. So let me find the beginning. The bags are sticking together a little bit, but we have some stars, and then we have a couple of different shades of yellow rhinestones, some green, some blue, some purple, pink, red, and then we do have some blue pearls as well. The blue pearls are sort of what makes the outlines of the unicorn. It does just use, well, it uses numbers and letters. So it uses the numbers 1 to 7, and then it does use A and B as well. But quite a nice, I just thought it was sweet and a little bit different. And yeah, there'll be somebody I know that will enjoy the likes of this very much. I'm sure I might pop it in my little stash of goodies to share the diamond painting love. But today's selection, we have what makes me think of apple pies. So home baking with apples, and then followed by a nice walk in the park, and something fun to keep the little ones occupied as well, or maybe just to do as a gift for a little one. But thank you, Easy Craft Art, for sending me these items to share with you all. I will, of course, pop all the links down below to the specific items, so you can always grab one if it catches your interest or catches your eye, or of course you can just go for a browse at the other items that they offer. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.